Hello everyone, I have come with the second part of middle term factorization. In the last video, we had solved some problems on middle term factorization where the coefficient of x square was 1. But here, in this video, those quadratic equations where the coefficients of x square is not 1 will be solved. Our process will be same, but at the end, there will be a little change. So let us go for the first case, that is plus minus minus plus. So here this plus and this minus are this one. So here at the end we will get two roots where the bigger one will be negative and the smaller one will be positive. Here we will go for, actually we will look for two terms a and b whose multiplication is 6 into 20, that is 120, and whose difference is 7, this 7 whose difference is 7. Okay, so let us look for the terms. So 15 and 8 are those terms whose multiplication is 6 into 20, that is 120, and the difference is 7, and this negative sign will come in between 15 and 8. So let us open the bracket. 6x square plus 15x minus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. So this will be, let us take 3x as common. So it will be 2x plus 5. So minus 4 is common. So it will be 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So 2x plus 5 both are common. So that is why 2x plus 5 and 3x minus 4 is left. That is why 2x plus 5 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4 equal to 0. This implies x equals to minus 5 by 2, and this implies x equals to 4 by 3. So let us go for the shortcut. So middle terms are 15 and 8 we have got, and 15 is greater than 8. Also plus minus implies minus plus, that is why this minus will come in front of 15 and this plus will come in front of 8. But what is the coefficient of x square? That is 6. So let us divide this by 6. So this is minus 5 by 2 and this is 4 by 3, and this is the result. Let us go for the next case where plus plus will give us minus minus. So here 10 and 4, there is 40. So we have to find two terms. So I have found 8 and 5. So 8 into 5 is 40, and 8 plus, because there is plus, so this plus will come here. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So now after opening the bracket, we have got 10x square plus 8x plus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. So from these two terms we have got 2x as common, and from these two terms nothing is common, so 1, we have taken 1 as common. So 5x plus 4, and the left one is 2x plus 1. So 5x plus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here x equals to minus 4 by 5, and here x equals to minus 1 by 2. So let's go for the shortcut. Here the middle terms are 8 and 5. 8 is greater than 5. So plus plus is giving us minus minus. So this minus sign will come over here and this minus sign will come over here. But this is not the end. Here the coefficient of x square is 10. So let us divide by 10. So let us divide it by 10. So this is minus 4 by 5 and this is minus 1 by 2. And here are the result. Let us go for the third case. Here minus plus will give us plus plus. Okay. Here the question is 8x square minus 22x plus 15. So 8 into 15 is 120. So 12 into 10 is 120, and 12 plus 10. So we have to take we have to take 12 plus 10 to get 22. Now after opening the bracket, this expression comes. Now after solving it, we have got x equals to 3 by 2 and x equals to 5 by 4. Here the middle terms are 12 and 10, and 12 is greater than 10. I know this thing is not record, but I am just maintaining the protocol. Okay, here minus plus will give us plus plus. This plus sign will come over here and this plus sign will come over here, but here is not the end. So 8 is there as coefficient of x square. So let us divide by 8. So this becomes 12 by 8 means 3 by 2 and 10 by 8 means 5 by 4. So this is the result and we have got it earlier. Let's go for the last case. Here minus will give us will give us one positive root, one negative root. Here 12 into 2 is 24. We know that 8 into 3 is 24 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So that is why we have chosen 8 and 3. Now after opening the bracket and after all the calculations, we have received that x equals to 2 by 3 and x equals to minus 1 by 4. So let's go for the shortcut now. Here the middle terms are 8 and 3 and 8 is greater than 3. Here it is needed, 8 is greater than 3 and minus is giving us plus minus. That is why this plus will be assigned with 8 and this minus will be assigned with 3, and the coefficient of x square is 12. So this is 12 and this is 12. So this will be equals to 2 by 3 and this will be equals to minus 1 by 4, and here is the result. So all you need is to find the middle terms and keep the chart in mind. I hope you also can verify this method by on your own, but you must practice and work hard. So it's interesting. Thank you for watching this video.